Hey YouTube, this is my video for the Weihrauch HW97K. I took the liberty of taking it out of the box. I did order it from Pyramid Air. Only took about 5 months to get, but it finally came. They were out of stock for that long. Anyway, this is the 20 caliber version. I went with 20 because I already have a 177, and I thought that the 22 caliber pellets for this gun went a little, I don't want to say slow, but I just didn't like the trajectory of them. So I hope that the 20 is somewhere in between. Anyway, here goes. Oh, wow. This is how it comes. Apparently, Pyramid Air does a test of some kind to make sure that the gun is working. I think they shoot about 10 pellets through it or something like that. Usually you pay 10 bucks or something, but because of the price of this gun, I think they just threw it in there. So let's see what we have here. Hard to do with one hand, so please excuse me. Let's get this out of the way. Sorry about that. There you have it. HW97K, 20 caliber. Just beautiful. But you're wondering what's in here. You know, I went back and forth between the TX200 and the HW for months and months, researching, and I finally decided to get both. I figured can't take my money with me when I die, so I'm gonna enjoy it. Enjoy it while I'm here. This is the 177 caliber version, and I have the two rifles I've always wanted. Merry Christmas to me, to you, or Happy Holidays. I don't want to be politically incorrect. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll try to put some video of me shooting the guns. Till then, Happy Holidays, take care, God bless.